after using the back of the humans. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. After using the back of the humans. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District, Camarines Sur, Mariners Polytechnic College, Lemon Residence. Gusto ko pong i-announce, next week is our quarterfinals match na gagawin sa University of Nueva Cáceres. Yon, quarterfinals of 8 teams. And we would like to give thanks also to SBP NAGA Elite Referee headed by Sir Eman Faraon, our crew chief, Ronnie Malinisa, Umpire 1, Bong Julia, Umpire 2, Edward Faraon, table officials, Lourdes Inday Orzena, Rosel Punting, Aaron Rigidor, and our tournament commissioner, Sir Don Razon, and our tournament manager, Sir Dwight Lamit. This is the start of our final matchup for the elimination. Golden Knights versus the Panthers. We would like to give thanks also to our Bucal executive headed by the President, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva. Thank you very much. Number 10 now to number 22. Being harassed by number 10 of the Panthers, intercepted by number 16. Penetration, scoop shot, follow-up, overshoot it, rebounded by number 24. Layup over it to number 4 now, dribbles the ball. It's number 16. Swing ball, corner shot for 3 points. First bucket of the game, courtesy of the Panthers. Kung makikita natin dito, it's a simple zone defense. 2-3 ang ginagawang depensa ng Panthers. Short jumper by number 24. It's Ranin John Francis. Ang depensa naman ngayon ng Golden Knights is a diamond dropping, intercepted, Black, recovered, number 24. But there's a traveling violation for the Golden Knights. It's number 60 now, being harassed by number 10, number 11, number 4. Back to number 11, swing ball, penetration, scoop shot, Black, but there's a whistle. May tinawag na whistle si referee Paraon. Pushing foul on jersey number 16 for the Golden Knights. It's number 11 rather, is the foul for the Golden Knights. Eight minutes, 25 seconds sa ating first period. Number 22 now at bumalik sa patented full court trapping ng Panthers. At nagawa nilang pigilan ang Golden Knights. At naging successful ang kanilang 1-2-1-1 full court trapping. Number 6, Doran. Penetration to the middle. Swing ball, 27-11. Another swing ball attack. Corner shot by number 4. No good. Scrambles for the rebound. Get by number 24. Out at the number 10. Layup. Good for 2 points. We would like to give thanks to our Facebook Live viewers na nanonood sa ating Bucal Facebook page and GNN TV 48 NAGA Facebook page. Maraming salamat. And shout out to Kenneth Barcela, Daniel Performance, and Miggy Perez, and Marlando Aniceto. To give us more update sa ating both teams, let's hear for our courtside reporter, Cass. Cass, kumusta? Anong update sa both teams? Meanwhile, we're back 7 minutes and 16 seconds. There's a bucket and a foul by the Golden Knights. Ang gandang lusot nun ni number 27. And balikan natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the two benches. Kumusta? Cass, ano update dyan?
Hi JR, happy Sunday to all our basketball enthusiasts. Right now, we are witnessing the rivalry between the ATENEO Golden Knights versus ANNUNCIATION Panthers. Who will make it to the next round? That's the big question that we need to know the answer. That's why you have to stay updated by tuning into the official broadcaster of Bucal Season 4, none other than GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to you, JR.
Thank you very much, Cass, sa iyong update. It's number 11 now. Number 24 gets the basketball, intercepted by number 27. Ang gandang depensa, nakuha ni number 1, pero matatawagan ng foul si number 27. And thank you very much to Kim Mon Sonwoo. Let's go ATENEO Golden Knights. It's number 10 now. Deflected, recovered by number 10. Scoop shot! A bicycle move coming from number 10 of the Golden Knights. It's the trapping again. A break by number 11. Pass to number 27. Outlet, number 6, penetration, drop pass, short jumper, no good. A power rebound by number 22 and dribbles the ball, passing the midcourt, pass to number 10. Number 10 now signaling for a play to number 22, no good. Number 11, good for 2 points. It's the full court trapping. Number 22, scoop shot. We have a timeout called by the Annunciation Panthers with 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 6 against 14. It's the Golden Knights in the lead. This is Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
are back live here at ATENEO, the NAGA University Gymnasium for our Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. Last game of the elimination. Napaka-importante po kung sino ang mananalo. Siya ang magiging number 2 seed sa bracket A at makakalaban ang ACLC sa quarterfinals. It's the number 1. There's a whistle. Foul on number 6 of the Panthers. At kung sino naman po ang matatalo dito ay haharapin for the quarterfinals the number 2 seed, ang Shepherdville Junior Rams. So next week na po yan ang quarterfinals natin sa UNC Sports Palace. Saturday po yan, abangan po nyo. Shout out to James Brian Asma and Kenneth Barzella. Let's go Ateneo, one big fight. And shout out to Luis Alexander Lapid. Yun. And maraming salamat po. At eto na naman ang full court press ng Golden Knights. Scoop shot, no good. Number 24 gets the basketball. Layup, good for 2 points. What a hustle play by number 24. And a hard penetration. Number 6, alley-oop to number 27. Napakatangkad ng batang ito. Si number 27. Rebounded by number 22 to number 10. Ang point guard ng Golden Knights. Swing ball to the right. Back to number 10. Yun. Tatawagan ng stepping on the line si number 24 at babalik ang bola sa Panthers. Shout out to Nathaniel Peña from Gigi Peña and John Paul Salamia. Kailan po ang semifinals? Sunday po. Ang quarterfinals natin is Saturday. Automatic. Sunday po ang semifinals natin. Babalik po tayo dito sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. It's number 1. Rebounded by number 5. Outlet to number 18. Number 18 now. Drop pass. Number 16 fakes. Short jumper. Good for 2 points for the Panthers. Go Ateneo. One big fight from Ralph Alvec Rivera. Shout out. Go Panthers. Gail Aria Garbin from Daniela Formanes. We have a timeout called by the Golden Knights with 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 8 against 17. The Golden Knights in the lead. This is Bucal Season 4 Juniors Edition. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We're back live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium. It's the Panthers versus the Golden Knights. Shout out to Simon Francio Magallanes Palma and Elisa May Bonicelo. Shout out daw kay Yasmin San Juan from Canada. Thank you very much sa mga patuloy na tumatangkilik, sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa ating Bucal basketball tournament. Number 3 to number 31. Drop pass deflected by the Panthers. 13 seconds shot clock para sa Golden Knights. Intercepted. Number 8. Outlet pass to number 16. Number 16 all the way. Good for 2 points. Number 14 now. Drop pass. Number 16. Good for 2. It's number 31 to number 16. Number 12 to number 3. Fakes. Drop pass. Pivot. Number 11. Kick out to number 31. Good for 3. That 3-point is brought to you by NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Inside play deflected by number 12. That's Sarmiento of the Golden Knights. Happy viewing to Simon Di Fiesta and Tota Tendero, Epi Clerigo, Mark Bagasbas. Happy viewing po sa inyo lahat. Number 10. Rebounded by number 22. It's Panthers basketball. Number 18 now. Pass to number 16. Being harassed by number 31. Bumalik na rin sa zone defense ang Golden Knights, kung saan kinakapitalize ngayon ng Panthers ang zone defense ayon sa 3 points ni number 16, Annave for the Panthers. Number 22 now, tinatawid ang bola, intercepted at tatawagan ng foul si number 10 ng Golden Knights. Bumalik na po sa laro ang Panthers, kung saan they are down by as many as 9 to 11 points. Ito, 2 points na lang ang lamang ng Golden Knights at susubukan ng Panthers sa kanilang possession ngayon na tablahin at lamangan. Number 16, drop pass, kick out, fake, 27 short, jumper, no good. Number 10 gets the basketball, pass to Sarmiento. Sarmiento now, all the way. At tatawagan sa driving layup ni Sarmiento, may foul na nakita sa referee Ronnie Malaneza. Nang dahil sa foul na yon, number 12 Sarmiento of the Golden Knights shooting for 2. 1 minute 28 seconds sa ating first period. It's 18 against 20. Lamang po dito ang Golden Knights. Thank you very much to Camsor Viaje, The Art Gallery, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, William Sense, SMC Dinaga, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, NCF Training Pool, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services, Nagayon Travels and Tours, DLMR Psychometric Center, Mansonic Security Agency, Mangkok's Kinalas, Lemon Residences. It's number 16 now in control of the basketball, being hounded by number 10. Binigyan ng screen na 27, kick out, swing ball, but there's a whistle na naman. Tatawagan ng foul si number 37. Let's go Ateneo, sabi ni Kim Moon Sunwoo. 1 minute, 1 second sa ating first period. 2 free throws si number 18 para pababain o itabla. Thank you very much to our Bucal executives headed by the President, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva. First deadlock of the ball game. 20 apiece. Number 12 now. Number 10. Out that pass. Intercepted. Intercepted. Eto. Labanan ng mga mabibilis. Labanan ng mga matatapang sa juniors edition natin ng Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 4. Ito habang titingnan ng ating review ng ating SBP NAGA Elite Referee, gusto ko rin pasalamatan. They are your commissioner, Sir Eman Faraon, their FIBA commissioner, and the tournament technical, si Sir Jim Cadores. To our crew chief, Ronnie Maliniza, Umpire 1, Bong Julia, Umpire 2, Edward Faraon, table officials, Lourdes Inday Orzena, Rosel Ponting, Aaron Rigidor. Thank you very much and happy viewing to MJ Locernas, Daniela Formanes, and Joaquin Dura. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na sumusubaybay, tumatangkilik, and sumusuporta po sa Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. Next week po, Saturday, is our quarterfinals match na gaganapin sa UNC Sports Palace. Magsisimula ang laro ng alas 10 ng umaga at susundan Sunday, March 19, ang semifinals ng ating Bucal Juniors Division. It's Ateneo Golden Knights Basketball ayon sa ating mga referee. And shout out to Jojo Sanyares, Aliana May Amaranto Alvarez. Yan. Sina-shout out niya si James Almario from UNC. It's the Golden Knights and the Panthers. 45 seconds sa ating first period. Number 20 to 31. Yun. Hindi nagkaamu yan si 31 saka si number 12. It's the eye-to-eye connection when you are passing the basketball. Kaya nag-turnover ang Golden Knights. Ito naman, high pick for number 18. No good. Number 10 of the Golden Knights. Rebound the basketball. Dribbles the ball. Coast to coast. Side-stepping Euro. Number 31 gets the ball. Number 22 power rebound. Looking for his teammate. Drop pass to number 37. Swing ball. Deflected by number 10. Pass to number 14. Number 14 now. It's 9 seconds. Number 15's inside play to number 9. Looking for his teammate. Pinasa kay number 10. No good. That's the end of our first period with 20 against 20. We have an exciting basketball only here at GNN TV 48 NAGA Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page. Magbabalik po kami.
Short stopper using the block of the defense. All the way, number 2 makes a foul. Shortstopper using the bat of the Philippines. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium sa ating pagpapatuloy ng Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. Golden Knights versus the Panthers. Second period na tayo. Tayang ating score. Ball possession ng Panthers with a jump shot. No good. Scrambles for the ball. Gets by number 15. Swing ball to number 18. Dribbles the ball. Binalik kay number 15. Short corner. No good. Power rebound na naman ni number 24. Out that pass to his teammate, but intercepted by number 18. Dribbles the ball. Number 18, lefty player, umikot, drop kay number 9, short jumper, overshoot it. Nag-uunahan ang dalawa pero may nakita si referee Edward Paraon. Foul ang Golden Knights at maibabalik ang ball possession sa Panthers. Number 15 now to number 18. Back to number 15. Swing ball. Fakes. Number 15. Ibinalik sa number 18. Natural pitch. Center 3. No good. Rebounded. Number 16 now to number 8. Number 8 now crossing the midcourt. Ito, zone defense ang ginagawa ng Panthers. 16. Inside play to number 11. Pero nakita na naman na may stepping on the line ang Golden Knights. Wala pa rin nakakapuntos dito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second period. Number 14, short, pero na-rebound niya. Basic basketball yon. Kung sino nag-shoot, kailangan i-box out ng opposing player. Ito number 10 to number 18. Ito ang tinatawag nilang horn play. At napakasama ng pagkakabagsak ni number 18 doon, pero kayang-kaya ayon kay number 18. Shooting foul yon coming from a long distance shot. So that means ang number 18 natin mabibigyan ng 3 free throws. Happy viewing to Ralph Alvec Rivera, James Brian Asma, shout out do kay Borgie Tolosa from Daraga. Yan. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And happy viewing to Gail Andrea Garbin, Jojo Sanyares, Miggy Perez. 8 minutes, 24 seconds. Hindi na complete ang free throw. Number 24 gets the ball, pass to 22. Number 10. Number 15 now. Intercepted by number 11. Out that pass. Yon, nag-turnover tayo dito. At pakinggan naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Cas. Cas, kumusta? Anong update natin for the second period?
Hi JR, the Golden Knights are already showing us the magic spirit as the Panthers was able to dominate the court at the start of the play, but the Golden Knights were determined to break the momentum, stealing the momentum from their opponent and now leading their way in the hard court. However, the Panthers were able to cut the lead at the end of the first quarter, but this doesn't stop the Golden Knights to continue doing their goal, which is to win this match. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to you, JR.
Thank you very much, Cass, sa iyong update. It's all about the momentum nga. At adjustment for the both coaches. Ang ginagawa nila dito, number 14, overshoot it. To number 10, layup, drop pass, fake, number 22. At nakakuha ng foul si number 22, Quinto. Ilalabas muna si number 18 ng Panthers at papalitan ni number 16. That's number 18 is Leticio at babalik Si number 16, Anave Ian. Shooting for 2 is number 22, Quinto. 7 minutes, 6 seconds. And happy viewing to AJ Balde. Sa mga nagtatanong po, this is the last game of the elimination. So wala na po itong kasunod. Sa mga nag-aabang pa para sa kasunod. Next week na po tayo, Saturday, it's our quarterfinals. Nagaganapin sa UNC Sports Palace. Magsisimula po tayo sa first game ng quarterfinals. 4 na game po yon. 10 a.m. ang simula. Abangan lang natin ang Bucal Facebook page sa kanilang announcement ng mga games. Number 9 now, penetration, blocked by number 22 and number 11. The ball will remain to the Panthers with 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to make the play. Ito ngayon, yung mga pamosong end line inbound ng mga coaches. But intercepted by number 1. Kitang-kita, basang-basa ni number 1 kung sino ang papasahan ng bola. Number 24 to number 22. Quinto now. Number 10, swing ball from strong side to weak side corner. Doesn't make it, pero na-rebound pa rin ng number 22. Penetration, number 1, no good. Tinapik niya, pero nandun ang rebound ni number 11 ng Panthers. Binigay sa kanilang point guard na si number 15, Ariston. Number 11 now, crossover, Destajo. Intercepted by number 24, Ranin. Recovered. Number 15 now of the Panthers. Drop pass to number 9. What a body control under goal stop by number 9. That's Aquino Easy of the Panthers. Number 1 now to number 10. Number 10 now. Fingeras by number 10 of the Panthers. Alley-oop. Sayang yon. Pero eto, matatawagan ng personal foul si number 10, Sandigan Gilbert Luis ng Golden Knights. Shout out to Daniela Formanes. Shout out Go Jolo Mirabueno Ariston. Maraming salamat sa pumunta dito sa Ateneo de NAGA Gymnasium para suportahan ang kanilang mga teams. Number 15 to number 16. It's Anave. No good. Number 31, deflected. Recovered. Number 6. What a bicycle shot. Hanging in the air by number 6. It's Duran Jerwell Nelson. Intercepted by Duran. Kick out. Corner shot. Number 16, Anave, 3 points. That 3 points brought to you by Nagayon Travels and Tours. Nang dahil sa 3-point na yon, napatawag ng timeout ang Golden Knights with 5 minutes, 3 seconds lamang na po ng 4 ang Panthers. Magbabalik po kami dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Short stopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. after using the block of the defense. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul.
We are back live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second period. It's the Golden Knights versus the Panthers. Ball possession by the Golden Knights. Number 3 now, itinawid ang bola. Pinasa sa kanyang kakampi, number 24. Middle attack, drop ball. Recovered by number 1. Broken play na to, number 3. Kick out to number 31. Intercepted by number 6 Duran to number 16 Anave. Penetration layup. What a move! He left the layup by Anave. Number 24 now. Outlet pass to number 11. Controls the basketball. Pivot. Loses the basketball. Recovered by number 1 of the Golden Knights. Sidestepping under goal. No good. Rebound na naman ni Duran. Number 6 of the Panthers. Penetration kick out. Number 16 to the corner. Good for 3. It's Anave. Back to back. Back to back to back by Anave. Intercepted by number 6. At mapupunta ang bola sa Golden Knights with 4 minutes 5 seconds. 33-24. Lamang na po dito ang Annunciation Panthers. Happy viewing to Malu Bachelier. Number 24. Hindi nagkaamuyan pero na-recover. Na-deflect na naman ni number 27. Napakahaba ng kamay ni number 27. That's the Dob Joshua. Inbounding the ball is number 22, Quinto. Ito, pinalik sa kanya ang bola. Crossover at nag-error. Coming from dribbling skills ni number 22, hindi lang niya na-control. At ball possession ngayon ng Panthers para dagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan at susubukan naman ng Golden Knights sa kanilang 1-2-2 zone defense na pigilan ang pag-alpas ng Panthers. It's number 15 now. And dribbles the ball, being harassed by number 16. Penetration kick out again. Number 16, Anave. Binigay corner, binalik kay Anave. No good. Rebound by Sarmiento, number 12. Pass to number 22. It's number 16 now, passing the midcourt, signaling for a play. Muntik na yon, pero sa mabilis na takbo ni number 16. Corner pass, inside play, umikot, fakes. Ang gandang galaw yon ni number 1, Puerta Clark. At nakakuha siya ng foul. At bibigyan siya ng 2 bonus free throw si Puerta Clark. 3 minutes 8 seconds sa ating second period. Thank you very much to NAGA College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District Kamsur, Mariners of Polytechnic Colleges, Lemon Residences. Thank you very much. It's number 15. Pass to number 16. Sabi ni number 16, teka lang. Himay-himayin natin ang ating game plan kung saan nag-pick si number 27. Inside play, number 6. Rebounded by number 12, Sarmiento. To number 22, Quinto. Back to Sarmiento. Swing ball to number 1, Puerta. Penetration, blocked by number 27. Ibang klase talaga si Dob Joshua. Number 1. Fakes, no good. Scrambles for the ball. Get by number 18. No look pass, number 16. Using the glass, no good. Scrambles for the ball. Get by number 1. Number 1, umikot. Left layup, andun na naman ang depensa ni Duran. Duran ngayon, nakita ang kanyang kakampi. Number 16, fakes. Using the glass for 2 points. What a transition defense and transition offense ginawa ng Annunciation Panthers. Number 12, nakalusot ngayon. Number 22, behind the back. What a play by the Golden Knights, coming from a nice pass by number 22 to number 1. Puerta Clark. Ibang klase yung pasa ni Quinto doon. Number 15 to number 16. Ang gandang intention ng pasa ni number 16. Pero hindi sila nagkaamuyan doon ng kanyang kakampi. Kaya nag-result ito ng turnover with 1 minute 41 seconds. 35 against 27. Lamang po dito ng 8 puntos ang Panthers from Sorsogon. It's number 10 of the Golden Knights. Swing ball, natural pitch. Number 24, attack to the middle. No good. Scrambles for the basketball. Recovered by number 14 now. Swing ball to number 18. Back to number 14. Center 3 points. In and out. Nandun si number 14 para kunin ang bola. Inside play. At mananatili ang ball possession sa Panthers. With 1 minute 14 seconds, we have a timeout. Tinawag na ng Annunciation Panthers. This is Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball only here at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium sa ating second period. Labanan ng Panthers versus Golden Knights. Inbound the ball, number 18. Corner shot. Overshoot it. Rebound by number 11. Number 10, nagmamadali. Alone for 2 points. It's number 18 now. Dribbles the ball. Ito yung 1-2-2 zone defense ng Golden Knights. At susubukan ng Panthers na i-break ito. What a block by number 24, Ranin John Francis ng Golden Knights. At medyo nadala lang siguro yon ng play si number 24 at si number 14. Deflected. Mahaba rin yung kamay ni Sarmiento, number 12 ng Golden Knights. It's number 18 to number 14. Back to number 18. Setting for a 3. No good. Number 10 gets the basketball. Dribbles the ball. Being harassed by number 16. What? At turn around. Pivot by number 10. And a bank shot using the glass for 2 points. We are witnessing a classic basketball of this two juniors team. Number 18 Number 24 recovers the ball. Basket and a foul. Very basic yon sa ating basketball. Don't recover ng ganon kadali. Mabibigyan ng easy 2 points ang kanilang kalaro with a foul. 15 seconds, 37-31 at mabibigyan pa ng bonus free throw. Binigyan dito ng warning for unsportsmanlike behavior si number 24 ng Golden Knights, si Ranin Jan Francis. Bonus free throw ngayon ang ititira ni number 6 pero nakuha ni number 12. Hindi na-convert yung free throw. It's number 24 to number 12. Swing ball to number 8. No good. Rebounded by number 24, Ranin. Sarmiento, wala. That's the end of our second period. 37-31, 6-point lead ng Annunciation Panthers of Bucal, SORSOGON. This is GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Law enforcement requires people. Law enforcement requires materials.
Since childhood, it's part of my dream to become a law enforcer. Part of that dream is the motivation to finish the education intended for law enforcement, and that is criminology education.
Everything that you do should start from planning.
And during that time, wala talagang investigador yung fire service. And that's why some of the senior officer in Region 5 encouraged us to join the fire service. It's good that I was encouraged to take part in the INP fire service because immediately nagamit ko yung investigative knowledge and skills that was part of the learnings in any criminologist education. I was immediately assigned as fire investigator. I started as a fire officer 1, and then I climbed the ladder going to the officership. I go through with the yung tinatawag na career courses and training to become an officer. When I was promoted to the rank of inspector, I was given the chance to hold the position of NAGA City Fire Station as the station commander. Yun ang position description nun eh. Ang success ko, di ko ma-achieve without NAGA College. Ako naman, hindi ako galing sa mayaman na pamilya. Ang father ko talagang trying to provide us the better education, ay marami kami. We are 10 in the family, so I'm the oldest. So sabi ko, every year, inaano sa bangko yung lupa namin, makakuha ng pera for the tuition fees. Palagay ko, I have to earn my own education. I asked then Dr. Carlo Villanueva, sabi ko, sir, mag-third year na ako next year. Medyo nahirapan yung parents ko kasi halos sabay-sabay na kami sa college, saka sa high school, saka elementary. So, sabi ko, Doc, pwede ka akong matulungan mo ako makapag-study. Sabi niya, sige. Kinakailangan namin ng working students sa chem lab. Sabi ko, sige Doc, nakuha ko na rin yung chemistry ko, so alam ko na yung mga ginagamit doon and what will be my work. With that, yun ang pinaka-break eh. College education ko dito sa NAGA College, sabi nga niya, sa Tagalog, napakasaya. Kasi unang-una, you are trying to fulfill your dreams. You are also helping your parents at the same time na hindi masyadong maggastos for your education. And also the environment here, napakaganda, solid yung mga department. How to improve the curriculum. Doon namin nakita yung every year may mga improvement yung curriculum. Masasabi namin that is the benchmark pagpunta sa excellence ng criminology education sa NCF. And for the student, being poor is not a hindrance to achieve your education. You have to find ways. Only education that wherever you go, even though you do not have the wealth, you can thrive and you can be successful.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwa ng teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Teleradyo, digdi sa GNN TV 48, NAGA.
Work with business executive or turn yourself to become one. Explore the career in the world of business with NCF's Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. This degree prepares you to excel in the financial service sector. Start it right with NCF's College of Accountancy and Finance.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa Robotics and Sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject and TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for NAGA College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. We are back live here at Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium sa ating third period. 37-31. Lamang dito ang Annunciation Panthers. During the halftime, it's the steals. 18 against 5 ang ginawa ng Panthers. And points of turnovers, 15 against 2 for the Panthers. Grabe ang difference kung saan nagkatalo dito na pareho lang sila ng turnovers ni 17 apiece. We have a held ball at napupunta ang ball possession sa Panthers. It's number 18 to number 16 to number 6. Kick out. Open shot. No good. Number 22 now of the Golden Knights. Intercepted by number 16. Halted to number 18. Back to number 16. It's Anave. It's a diamond dropping ulit. At mapupunta ang ball possession sa Annunciation Panthers. Number 14, Duca. To number 18, inside to number 6. Number 6 now. Blocked by number 2. Another power rebound and a putback by Duran of the Panthers. At mabibigyan siya ng bonus free throw dito. 41-31, 10 na po ang kalamangan ng Panthers kung saan susubukan ni Duran na gawing 11 or i-rebound ba ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Nakompleto ang 3-point play ni Duran. It's number 10 now. Dribbles the basketball, pass to number 11. Number 11 nakitaan ng stepping on the line si number 11. Inside, number 6 fakes. No good. Number 9 now. The number 24. Sidestepping. Rebound number 27. It's dope to number 16. Number 16. No good. Rebound by number 11. To number 24. Number 24 now. Number 10 to the corner. Penetration. Sidestepping. Number 9 fakes. Pumps. Blocked by number 27. Get by number 18. For a transition run. Drop pass. Number 16 controls the ball. Sabi niya, eto na. Ilulusot ko agad. Swing ball. Fakes. What a shot. We have a timeout called by the Golden Knights with 7 minutes 40 seconds. This is Bucal Season 4 of Juniors Basketball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami. Short jumper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. We are back live here at Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium for our third period. It's Ateneo Golden Knights basketball. Number 9 now, swing ball to number 10. Number 10, back to number 9. It's Jokno. Intercepted by number 14, Duca. To number 16, back to Duca. What a play! And one basketball given by the Annunciation Panthers. It's 7 minutes 15 seconds at tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter para sa ating update. Cass, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Hi JR, the Panthers are maintaining the momentum from the moment they steal them from the Golden Knights. Right now, their coaches are committed to guide them on what they should do and avoid in the hard court. On the other hand, during the halftime, the Ateneo coaches reminded the players to make an effort and commit to their responsibilities individually and as a group. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to you, JR.
Thank you very much, Cass. Tayong update, it's the turnover. Between turnovers, yan talaga ang very much concern ng coaches. And points of turnovers. Diyan nagkatalo talaga ang both teams kung saan in-emphasize ng coach kung ano ang adjustment na kailangan gawin nila. Hindi na kompleto ni number 24 Ranin ang kanyang free throw. It's number 18 inside to number 6. Swing ball, corner shot. No good. It's Panthers basketball with 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Ito na naman yung end line play. Number 16. Kick out, natural pitch. Inside play, what a pass! What a shot by number 27, Dove, coming from a nice assist from number 16. Ibang klase yung anabing maglaro. Steal pa niya. Number 16, recovered. Number 16 now, scoop shot! No good. Number 14 ngayon. Swing ball, sabi ni number 18. Teka lang. Eto. Walang dumipensa sa akin. Long 3 points by number 18, Deticio Pacifico. Intercepted. Number 14. Rebounded. Offensive. Number 6. Number 10 now. There's a whistle. Foul number 14 of the Panthers, Duca. 5 minutes 57 seconds. Biglang lumobo po ang kalamangan ng Panthers dito sa kanilang full court wrapping at Hassel Place. Number 10 of the Golden Knights. There's a whistle from referee Bung Hulya at may double foul. Number 6 from Golden Knights and number 1 of the Golden Knights and number 6 of the Panthers. Pero magkaibigan yan. Number 24, penetration behind the back foul ang itinawag kay number 6, Duran. Papalitan si Duran, ipapasok si Gestre, number 10. Ito, binigyan ng warning si number 10, si number 6 Duran for a resent to call. 2 free throws for Ranin. We would like to give thanks to our sponsors, Camstor Viaje, The Art Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon, Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, William Sands, SM City NAGA, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, NCF Training Pool. Thank you very much. Number 12 recovers the ball. but intercepted by number 18. Drop pass to his teammate. What a connection by the two guards of the Panthers. Number 24, swing ball to number 10, scoop shot. No good. It's Golden Knights basketball. "15 seconds ang shot clock. Drop pass. What an inbound play by the Golden Knights from number 22 to number 11. Number 18 crossover behind the back. Ibang klase yung dribbling skills ni number 18. Number 15 now, behind the back na naman. Ito talaga yung mga juniors natin na very good in dribbling the basketball. What a 3 points. Timely basket by number 14 of the Panthers. It's Bucal Lawrence. At tatawagan ng offensive foul ang Golden Knights. Second personal foul yan ni Ranin ng Golden Knights. At ibabalik ang bola sa Panthers with 14 seconds to shoot. Eto. Number 18 ngayon. Long distance, overshoot it. Scrambles for the basketball. Nagagawan sila ngayon. It's number 10 and number 22. Pero possession arrow goes to the Golden Knights. Four minutes, 40 seconds sa ating third period. Thank you to SBP NAGA Elite Referee. And thank you very much to our sponsors, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings. Number 22, swing ball, corner, penetration, number 24, overshoot it. Pero nandun si Sarmiento to get the offensive rebound and a putback for 2 points. Four minutes, 18 seconds sa ating third period. Dribbling the basketball is number 15. Penetration, kick out, deflected. Nice defense by number 22, Quinto. 13 seconds ang ating shot clock. Inbounding the ball is number 18, Deticio. To number 14, Duca. Inside to number 15. Eto, kitang-kita. 2 steps too many. Kaya binigyan ng traveling violation si number 15, Ariston. It's number 3 now, lefty dribbling the ball. Number 11 loses the ball. Sayang yung mga opportunity para sa Golden Knights. Nako-convert sa turnover. At ito naman, sinasamantala ni number 18 ngayon. Dribbling the ball. Tinira, napakalayo. Rebounded the ball. It's Sarmiento. But loses the basketball with the stepping on the line. May ibabalik ang bola sa Panthers, kung saan they are ahead ng 22 points. Three minutes, 21 seconds sa ating third period. It's Golden Knights basketball. We would like to give thanks to the ATENEO NAGA University community, headed by their President, Father Robert. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapagamit ng Ateneo Gymnasium para sa Bucal Juniors Basketball. Number 10 gets the ball. Penetration layup at nakakuha ng foul. Si number 11 shout out to Jake Martires, Anton Quadrante, Gian David Valenzuela, Uncle Jai Bagani. Yon. Rainer Anthony Duca, Jerome Huelva Morales. Shout out po sa inyong lahat and happy viewing to Sharif Lopez. Yon. Idol ko yan. Number 3 to number 22 to number 8. No good. Scrambles for the basketball, gets by number 14, deflected. Recovered by number 15 of the Panthers. Pass to his teammate, number 16. Sabi ni number 16, wala akong bantay, titira ko to. Pero short, nag-aagawan, nag-uunahan, mapupunta ang basketball sa Golden Knights at magpapalit ng player, ibabalik si Duran at papalitan si number 27, Dob Joshua. Number 3, inbounded the ball, pass to number 8, back to number 3, passing the midcourt. Setting for a play is number 22, Quinto, to number 8, Solomon. Back to Quinto. No good. Rebounded by number 15. No look pass. Number 16 now. Take it easy, sabi niya. Swing ball to his teammate. Fakes. Penetration, sidestepping. Trap pass. Pivot. Nawala ang bola. Na-steal ni number 11. Fast break. Number 8. Pero nakitaan si number 15 ng foul, Ariston. It's 1 minute, 54 seconds. Nang dahil sa penalty na ang both teams, 2 free throws for number 3, Agawa, Gabriel Johannes. One minute 54 seconds sa ating third period. And thank you very much sa lahat po ng sumusubaybay, sumusuporta, tumatangkilik sa Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. At abangan nyo po ang quarterfinals. Next week na po yan, Saturday. Gaganapin sa UNC Sports Palace at corner 3 points by number 11 Destajo, and a steal by number 10 layup, good for 2 points by Jestre. Number 8 ngayon, number 1 hinaharas ni number 10, number 12 to number 31, good for 2 points. Meron dito, injury tayo. Si number 10 with 1 minute 12 seconds, 66-43. We would like to give thanks to our sponsors, NAGA College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Congressman Gabi Bordado, 3rd District Kamsur, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Sir Lemon Residences, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayon Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services. At eto, babalik tayo sa ball game. At si number 10 ay iniinda pa din ang kanyang tama. At papalitan siya ni number 9 Aquino. It's Panthers basketball. Happy viewing to Charles Owen Apin. Fakes. Hesitation. Pass to his teammate number 16. Pull up, 3-point short. He scrambles for the ball, get by number 11. Again, number 11. Recovered by number 16. Number 16 now. Penetration, sidestepping. What a pass! What a play by number 16 to number 11 for 2 points. Ibang klase yung number 16 ng Panthers, si Anabe. Number 31, it's Golden Knights basketball ayon kay referee Ronnie Malinisa. 30 seconds. Number 1, number 31, corner 3, overshoot it. Number 6 now, in control of the basketball, pass to number 16. Hesitation. What a sidestepping move by Anabe of the Panthers. Number 10 now to number 31. Number 10. Nice pass, nice veer, nice bump, nice 2 points by number 1, Puerta Clark. Hail Mary shot by number 15. That's the end of our third period with 70 against 45. This is Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball only here at CNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami. Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. We are back live here at ATENEO NAGA University Gymnasium sa ating pagpapatuloy ng last game of the elimination. It's the Panthers versus the Golden Knights. Fourth and final period na po tayo. Will it be the Panthers or makaka-recover dito ang Golden Knights? It's Panthers basketball. Number 6. Penetration. Deflected. Scrambles for the basketball. Short jumper by number 15. Rebounds by himself. Looking for his teammate. It's Anabe ngayon. In control. Penetration. Left. The jump shot. Number 9. Offensive. No good. Number 15 gets the ball. Swing ball. Number 6. No good. Deflected. It's number 16. Hesitation. Turn around. Pass to his teammate. Overshoot it. Number 24. Out that pass to number 10, Sandigan. Pass to Ranin. To 22, Quinto. No good. Deflected. It's Golden Knights basketball. Happy viewing to Leo Cedric Verso. It's number 11. There's a whistle at tinamaan sa ulo ayon kay referee Bung Holya. It's the first team foul of the Panthers for the fourth period. It's number 10, Sandigan. Dribbles the basketball, pass to Quinto. Setting for a play. Overpass it to his teammate at nag-error ulit ang Golden Knights. Eight minutes, 40 seconds. .45. Lamang pa rin dito ang Panthers. Number 16, Anave. Setting for the play. Inside, 16. Recovered. And swing ball. No good. Power rebound by number 1, Puerta. To number 24, Ranin. Dribbles the ball. To Quinto. Back to Ranin. To Sandigan. Corner to Ranin. Number 1, Puerta. Loses the basketball. Intercepted by number 15. Number 9. Layup blocked by Puerta. Number 11. Number 1 scrambles for the basketball. It's number 15 to number 16. Swing ball. Attack to the middle. Layup. There's a whistle. Kung gusto mo daw makakuha ng isang foul, you must go hard to the basket. Yun ang ginawa ni Doran, number 6 ng Panthers. Kaya mabibigyan siya ng 2 bonus free throw. With 7 minutes and 46 seconds, thank you very much to our sponsors, Camsor Viaje, The Art Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sands, SM City NAGA, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, NCF Training Pool. Number 6, no good for his last free throw, rebounded by number 11. Sandigan loses the ball. Number 15, Ariston. Number 9, swing ball, number 11 to Ariston. Fakes, hesitation, sidestepping to number 6, Doran, short jumper, good for 2 points. Number 24, intercepted by Duran, hard to the basket for 2 points. We have a timeout called by the Golden Knights. 7 minutes, 8 seconds, 75-45, 30. Big point lead ng Panthers. This is Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Short jumper using the back. We are back live here at ATENEO de NAGA University Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth period. It's the Panthers versus the Golden Knights. Bola ngayon ng Golden Knights with 7 minutes to play. Intercepted by number 16. Penetration, sidestepping, no good. At nakuha ni number 11 to number 1 to give us the update sa ating both teams. Let's hear for our courtside reporter, Cass. Cass, kumusta?
Yes, JR, for the final and last quarter, the favor is to the ANNUNCIATION Panthers as they dominated the fourth until the end of the third quarter. However, the Golden Knights are reminded to keep their heads up as there's still time to make a change. They just have to continue committing to their roles and responsibilities as well as read the situation carefully. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to you, JR.
Thank you very much, Cass, sa iyong update. Despite behind ng points ang Golden Knights, this is a big lesson to adjust sa patungo sa quarterfinals. And to the ANNUNCIATION Panthers, malaking momentum ito na dadalhin nila sa pagpapatuloy ng quarterfinals next week. It's 5 minutes 48 seconds, 77 against 45. Nagpapalit ng player ang both teams. Thank you very much to our Bucal executives, to Sir Jack Claro, President Mario Villanueva. Maraming salamat po. Number 31, deflected by number 14. Hinahabol niya ngayon. Pero na-recover number 16. Pero nandun yung depensa. Number 10. Penetration, sidestepping, block. That's what you call the basketball IQ na ginawa ng Panthers doon. Number 18 to number 16. Anave setting for the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Ang layo na naman ng 3 points ni number 18, Ditisio Pacifico. It's number 10, Sandigan, to number 37, Sichong. Number 8 to number 31, Lorin. Blocked by number 9. Recovered by Sarmiento. To number 31 to number 8. Binigyan ng screen ni number 37 at tatawagan ng offensive foul, illegal screen, si Chung Benito. Happy viewing to Carl Ase. Alfonso Bichara, shout out to Jason Wood. And Alejandro Yagil. Number 16. To number 14, back to number 16. It's Anave. Number 16. No good. Rebounded by number 12. To number 31. To number 10. There's a whistle. Tatawagan ng foul si number 9 ng Panthers with 4 minutes and 17 seconds sa ating final period. Shooting for 2 is number 10, Sandigan. Again, we would like to announce that our quarterfinals will start next week, Saturday, sa UNC Sports Palace. 10 a.m. po ang simula natin. It's number 8. No good. Rebounded by number 14. Out that pass to number 6. Intercepted by number 8, Solomon. Solomon now in control of the basketball. Inside play to number 37. Hook shot. No good. Number 6, Duran. To number 16, Anave. Anave now. Inside play to number 9. Intercepted by number 10 at tatawagan ng foul si number 9, Aquino ng Panthers. Three minutes, 43 seconds ang ating natitira sa ating final period. It's 80 against 45. Lamang dito ang Panthers. Sa mga nagtatanong po ng quarter-final match, abangan nyo po ang Bucal official page nila at ipopost po yan kung sino ang mga magtatapat sa quarterfinals. And automatic po, Sunday, March 19, semifinals po. It's number 16 now. In control of the basketball to number 18, Ditisio, rather. Number 16, Anave. To Ditisio. Penetration. Left the layup. No good. Number 31, it's Lorin. Pass to number 5, but intercepted by number 14. To number 18, Ditisio. It's number 12. Intercepted. Number 5. Rejected by number 12. 2 minutes, 52 seconds. Final period na po tayo. I think this is it. At nagpalit na po ang both teams ng kanilang bench players. And siguro, they are preparing na lang for next week's quarterfinals. But a very good interception by number 16. Pero scrambles for the ball is number 9. Number 1. Back to number 16. Sidestepping. Drop pass number 1. Deflected. At tatawagan ng offensive foul at mukhang meron ditong unsportsmanlike of foul for the Panthers. Number 29, it's Africa, Paul Andre. Nang dahil sa unsportsmanlike foul ni number 29, bibigyan ng free throws si number 1, Puerta Clark. Happy viewing to Jay De Horas. And happy viewing, live na live, si Luis Alexander Lapid. Yan. Ang cutie boy ng Biscast. Number 3 to number 16. Number 3, it's Agawa. At yon, naagawan ni number 9 at binigay sa kanyang kakampi number 5, deflected by number 16, Tipay ng Golden Knights. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Number 1, offensive rebound, but a great defensive rebound by number 9. It's Jokno Tristan. Looking for his teammate, pass to number 3, Agawa. To number 5, it's Samson. Last 2 minutes. Our last 2 minutes is brought to you by Bucal University's Colleges and Athletic League Season 4 with a nice layup by number 1, Herrera. It's number 3 now, Agawa, pero may nakita si referee Edward Paraon na pushing foul para sa Panthers. Number 9, inbounding the ball. It's Jokno. Jokno now, short. Number 16. Number 10 to number 5. Number 16. Fakes. Back to number 5. Inside play. Sayang yon, hindi nakita ni number 30. Sarte Christopher ng Golden Knights. Inbounding the ball. It's number 15. In control of the basketball. Passing the midcourt. 1 minute 25 seconds. Intercepted by number 9. Pass to number 3. Agawa. Nice layup from a nice pass from Jokno. Tristan. Number 15. Crossover. Kick out. Penetration. Kick out. Swing ball. Number 15. Penetration. No good. Agawa gets the basketball. Inside but intercepted by number 15 to number 5. Pass to his teammate. Number 29 alone for 2 points. Eto, tatawagan ng personal foul si number 29. Nang dahil sa foul na yon, we have 2 free throws para kay number 16, Tipay Manuel Gian. It's 47 seconds remaining. And maghihintay na lang po tayo ng final score dito kung saan tatapusin ng Annunciation Panthers ang elimination for juniors basketball with a win. Ang panalo ng Annunciation will give them the second spot sa bracket A, with the number 1 standing is the UNC Greyhounds. Number 2 is Annunciation Panthers. Number 3 is the Ateneo Golden Knights. And number 4 is the Mariners Polytechnic. Sa kabilang bracket naman, bracket B, it's the NCF Junior Cubs para sa number 1 spot. Shepherdville Junior Rams para sa second spot. First sa standing is the NCF Junior Cubs. Number 3 sa standing goes to the AMA Computer. And the number 4 sa standing, it's the St. Joseph School. That's the end of our ball game. Winning is the Annunciation Panthers of Sorsogon. This is GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami, standby, sa ating best player of the game. Short after using the clock. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Showstopper using the clock. All the way. Triple two by second foul.
The best player of the game is brought to you by the College of Engineering, the best geodetic school in Bucal region. With me is the best player of the game. Congratulations on being the best player of the game. Despite your loss yesterday, the Panthers are strong-willed to win this match against the Golden Knights. Kaya naman with me is the best player of the game, Ian Roy Anave, jersey number 16 with 24 points, 6 assists, and 5 steals. Anave, congratulations. Anong pakiramdam na this match you won against your opponent, and anong naging inspiration mo from the loss you encountered yesterday against the Greyhounds?
Nanalo po kami ngayon at yung determination po namin nag-boost pa po kasi natalo po kami. So, kailangan po namin masecure yung top 2 para sa next round mas mapadali yung laban namin. Pero nirerespeto po namin yung kalaban namin next round.
Ayan, we are currently live. May gusto ka bang batiin o message for the viewers?
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko dyan sa Albay, tapos sa girlfriend ko sa Masbate. Sige po. Si Frenchie po.
Ayan, congratulations. And yeah, thank you very much for being the best player of the game. Once again, this is Cassandra Saton, courtside reporter of Bucal Season 4.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our best player of the game is brought to you by the NCF College of Engineering, the best geodetic school in Bucal region. From the Annunciation Panthers of Sorsogon, it's Ian Roy Anave, jersey number 16 with 24 points, 6 assists, and 5 steals. What a game for both teams. Ibang klase yung pinakita ng Golden Knights para tapatan ang lakas ng Annunciation Panthers. Next week po, mga kaibigan, mga kabasketball fans, abangan nyo po ang quarterfinals ng ating Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Coach J.R. Parco. So long everyone from the Tournament Commissioner, Don Razon, Tournament Manager, Sir Dwight Lamit. Thank you.
Showstopper using the clock.